All right, good deal. So you've got Kali Linux all set up, hopefully, without too much trouble, and you've got a lot of power in your hands right now. So let's figure out, how do you use that power, right? How do you use it in a safe, controlled environment? So we're going to download the first of the two vulnerable applications within the environment. The first one is going to be Damn Vulnerable Web Application, DVWA. So what is a DVWA? It's a PHP and MySQL web application that is deliberately made damn vulnerable. Okay, its main goals are to be an aid for security professionals to test their skills, tools in a legal environment, and help web developers, basically the remediation process. So this came right from their website, and it's very much similar to the message I've been giving you. Legal environment and remediation. Keep that in mind. So let's go ahead and get to the demo of how to install this bad boy.